making dinner and it's almost 9 o'clock at night and I'm making balsamic garlic pasta, which is delicious and easy peasy, which is why I'm making it so late at night, because I'm really hungry and I don't want to spend a lot of time cooking. I want to spend time eating, getting the food in my belly. So you're lucky I'm happy and not hangry. Hanger is very real for me. So if you want to learn how to make this really easy meal, then please keep watching. And I share on Instagram almost every day what I'm making for dinner and how to make it. So if you want to know what I make, then follow me on Instagram. Let's get cooking. As in my last video, got some salted water for pasta and some salty water for broccoli. Got some organic whole wheat pasta. I don't let the water boil for the pasta first because Alton Brown says not to. And we listen to Alton Brown. So, just for the pasta, that doesn't make sense. Okay. So I've got all the pasta in here. It's on high. I typically look at what the box says, like, oh, 8 to 10 minutes. So I take the lowest time, 8 minutes, and then subtract 2 from it, so 6 minutes. So I'm gonna come back and check this in about 6 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get my broccoli cut up and into that pot. All right, so there's just a little bit of water with salt and then some fresh broccoli in there, but I'm not gonna turn it on for a couple minutes. And got my pasta cooking. So now I'm gonna get everything I need for my sauce. So that is gonna be extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and then you look in my refrigerator, some garlic that I'm going to mince. I get fresh garlic that's like already peeled. See it in there? Makes life easy peasy. And that is it for the sauce. This is what my family does while I cook dinner.
Hannah.
You hungry? Hungry. You want to eat? Eat. Not yet. Not yet. So my pasta is done cooking. It is strained. The broccoli is started. I'm now going to take the garlic and mince some garlic in a little bit of olive oil. Not a ton of olive oil. I'm gonna take this big fat piece of garlic and squish it. We are big fans of garlic. Garlic is very good for you and very delicious. I just kind of put a lot in. I don't really have like a magic amount for you. It's kind of a personal preference thing. You can buy pre-minced garlic if you're a loser, but fresh garlic is always best, and you want to let it sit in the olive oil for a little bit and simmer so that the flavor gets released. It's called until it becomes aromatic, so it has a strong smell and really cooking. Woo! I just made some garlic fly. Literally. I'm gonna have to put that in slow-mo. Alright, so you just let that garlic cook in the olive oil for a minute. Be careful not to cook it on too high of a heat. You don't want it to burn. It will be gross and you'll have to throw it away and start over. So just keep it on a low heat. Let it simmer. This is what it looks like. You can hear it simmering. Delicious. Broccoli's getting pretty vibrant. I just stab it to see how firm it is, and that's how I know if it's done or not. Now I'm going to add...
No way.
What?
They blocked the field goal.
Alright, anyway, now I'm gonna add the balsamic. There's like nothing left in this bottle, so I'm just using the last of it. And then all you do is just let it reduce. So you want it to become thick, basically, to like kind of a balsamic syrup almost, not like really runny and watery. And again, be careful of your temperature. You don't want anything to burn.
Wow.
I don't really have an amount of balsamic for you, just kind of a lot, because it is going to reduce down. And this is what, this is like your only sauce for the pasta, so. See, right now it's really liquidy. You want it to become thicker, more like a syrup. So just keep your temperature on low and watch it as it reduces. So just a little bit of a warning, all this like steam coming off, it smells very strong of balsamic. So if you inhale it, balsamic is a vinegar. It will not feel pleasant. Just saying.
And it'll make you cough.
Yeah, make you want to die for a second of delicious smelling things.
Basically, acetic acid steam.
Sure, whatever my genius husband says. Okay, I turned the heat up a little bit, so now you can see it's really bubbling, it's really getting thicker. So now I'm going to add the pasta in and let the pasta soak all of this up. So I basically just let the pasta sit in it. Dump it in. Dump it to crumpet. Oops, flying pasta. Stir it all up. If it looks like you need more balsamic, go ahead and add some more. But just give it some time. It'll look kind of nasty because your pasta will be all like brown. Kind of look like it's been sitting in sewer water, but I promise it's really, really tasty. And the pieces of garlic will look like they're absolutely burned to a crisp because they're black from the balsamic, but they're not. They're so flavorful, garlicky, balsamic-y deliciousness. So you can add salt, whatever other seasonings you might want. Just stirring it all up, letting it soak all of that balsamic in. You definitely want to make sure you don't overcook your pasta since you're putting the pasta back on the heat for a minute. So I took the pasta off the heat and strained it when it was still like a tiny bit on the hard side, because I always do this. Taste it as you go. Mine needs more salt. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more balsamic just because I like it very balsamic-y. That's what it looks like right now. Kind of looks like a bunch of worms. It's actually really disgusting, but tastes so good. Then top top it off with some freshly grated Parmesan, and voila! Dinner is served. FYI, that took less than 30 minutes to make, so I don't know if you consider that quick, but I consider it quick and delicious.